We want to speak to Trump, but a matter of fact, we need to speak to the Cassie girl, the one we're doing press conference. We'll answer all the questions. Yeah, where eyes go from the north to the west, to the east, to the south. That Cassie woman. Yeah, put her on the phone. She'll go answer some questions tonight. All right, hello, Miss Cassie girl. Yeah, you're the one that does the press conference for Trump, yeah? Are you me want? What can you do for me? I need you to answer some questions for me. Now, there's a rumor spreading all over social media, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. About tomorrow, November the 4th. There's supposed to be a complete blackout. They call it the EMP. And there's a group all over America, in every state, that's going to protest against Trump and him waste self and him waste cabinet. Yes. Let me ask you a question. Is it true with the blackout? You're not sure? They're going to be doing a drill. The government going to be doing a drill. Well, let me tell you something. If we're not going to do a blackout drill and me lose electric, we can't go work. So we need a note from the White House from Trump. The next thing, that means that we can't draw no funds, no money from the bank. Right? And my bills, them have to pay. So I have to pay them on it. Yeah, you can't answer this. You guys are going to have to pay my bills. What do you take this thing for? Right? Because I'm not going to be able to do anything electronically. So you're going to have to be responsible for my bills, including my mortgage. Right? So me want money put in my hand. Not in the account, because no transaction can go on until the 6th or the 7th or the 8th, right? So we need money, right? Because I'm going to want to charge me late fee and also fee. So we want money put in my hand, right? Send all the government people to drop it at my house, right? We live in a cowie, right? Me will give you the address before me hang up the phone today, right? We want money for the mortgage, we want money for the electric, right? Because the electric can cut off. We need money for food, because all the food gone spoil. We need money for everything. We'll tell you Rasta, right? So make sure you have somebody, drop off the money for me tomorrow morning. Now make me go home from work tomorrow morning now. My money no there. Oh, me want the money. Me no want hear gunfire, no excuse from you. Right? Only a wicked set. I'm here for the Trump. I leave for 12 days. Where am I go? Bahamas? How are these? But you know what? Me I go Bahamas too. You think me a joke? Right. We want a first class ticket for me and my family to go Bahamas too. Right? Wherever I go, we want a first class ticket for me and my family. How you mean? We are set up. Can't see I can't about a set. Right. So tomorrow morning when you leave work, as long as my phone is functioning, me want me money. Oh, all right. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.